Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. I like to welcome in your English literature class. As you all know, this is your English literature book. So, dear children, today we are going to start the new lesson. So, for that, you all take out your book and open page number 47. So, in page number 47, you can see we are going to read the poem. The name of the poem is I Can. I Can. Student, what's the title of this poem? I Can. So, in this poem, you can see there is a little girl. There is a little girl, and what the activities she can do, they discuss in this poem. So, dear student, let's learn about that girl, what she can do. So, first of all, you can see they're doing different types of activity, and let's learn about their activities, what she can do. So in first line you can see there is a I can tie my shoelaces, I can tie my shoelaces, I can brush my hair. So dear student, after start this poem we have to know what the means of I can. Do you know about what the means of I can? I can means कर सकता हूँ या सकती हूँ. Okay, so in this poem the girl saying that she can do all the activity. Okay, and first of all he can tie her shoelaces. She is saying that she can tie her shoelaces. So here you can see she is tying her shoelaces, and after that she can also brush her hair. Brush her hair. स्टूडेंट, आप देख सकते हैं कि ये गर्ल कितने अच्छे तरीके से अपने shoelaces को बांध रही है. ओके, एंड शी इज सेइंग दैट शी कैन टाई हर shoelaces बाय herself एंड शी कैन ऑल्सो ब्रश हर हेयर. ओके, और वो अपनी बालों में कंघी भी कर सकती है, प्रॉपर अपने हेयर को ब्रश कर सकती है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट व्हाट शी कैन डू इन नेक्स्ट, she's saying I can wash my face and hands. You can see here I can wash my face and hands and dry myself with care. And she is saying that she can wash her face and hands and also dry herself with care. So student, ये लिटिल गर्ल कह रही है that वो क्या कर सकती है, वो अपनी फेस एंड हैंड्स को प्रॉपर वॉश कर सकती है, धो सकते हैं, एंड आफ्टर दैट अपनी हैंड और फेस को धोने के बाद वो अपनी हैंड और फेस को प्रॉपर सुखा भी सकती है, पोंछ भी सकती है. ओके, बाय हर सेल्फ, अपने से खुद से. एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट शी कैन से, शी इज सेइंग आई कैन क्लीन माई टीथ. शी इज सेइंग आई कैन clean my teeth and fasten up my frocks. I can clean my teeth and fasten up my frocks. So here you can see she is saying that she can brush her teeth and fasten up her frocks. So you can see वो क्या कर रही है, वो कह रही है कि मैं अपनी टीथ को, दांत को क्या करती हूँ, साफ भी रखती हूँ, क्लीन भी करती हूँ, खुद से कर सकती हूँ, एंड वो अपने फ्रॉक को, जो फ्रॉक के बेल्ट होते हैं दोनों साइड, उसे क्या कर सकती है, बांध भी सकती है. ओके, बाय हर सेल्फ, खुद से. वो क्या क्या एक्टिविटी कर सकती है, वो अपने शूलेस को बांध सकती है, एंड आफ्टर दैट अपने बाल को कॉम्ब भी कर सकती है, एंड अपनी हैंड और फेस को वॉश भी कर सकती है, एंड आफ्टर दैट वो उसे ड्राई भी कर सकती है, सुखा भी सकती है. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट शी कैन क्या कर सकती है, क्लीन कर सकती है अपने टीथ को, एंड अपने फ्रॉक के बेल्ट को खुद बांध सकती है. आफ्टर दैट एट लास्ट लाइन शी सेइंग आई कैन ड्रेस ऑल बाय माई सेल्फ एंड पुल अप बोथ माई सॉक्स. एंड शी इज सेइंग दैट शी कैन ड्रेस ऑल बाय हर सेल्फ एंड पुल अप बोथ हर सॉक्स. सो शी इज सेइंग दैट वो अपनी जो भी ड्रेस हैं उन्हें खुद से पहनती है, वो किसी की हेल्प नहीं लेती हैं. शी कैन ड्रेस ऑल बाय हरसेल्फ, वो अपने ड्रेस को खुद से पहनती है। एंड आफ्टर दैट वो अपने सॉक्स, यूनिफॉर्म के स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म को वो खुद से पहन लेती है या फिर कोई भी ड्रेस हो वो पहन लेती है। एंड अपने सॉक्स को वो अच्छे तरीके से पुल अप करके, पुल अप मीन्स होता है खींच कर, ओके, वो खींच कर अपने सॉक्स को प्रॉपरली पहन सकती है। स्टूडेंट, हियर इज अ different types of activity that girl is doing, and you can also do this all activity at your home by yourself. आप भी ये सारी एक्टिविटी अपने घर पे खुद से करते हो या कर सकते हो। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो like this girl you have also done this all activity by yourself. इस गर्ल की तरह, इस लिटिल गर्ल की तरह आप भी सारी एक्टिविटी खुद से कर सकते हो, या फिर अगर आप नहीं करते हो तो आप भी कर सकते हो सारी एक्टिविटी। ओके स्टूडेंट, एंड आफ्टर रीडिंग दिस चैप्टर, this beautiful poem, you have to learn and write this poem in your notebooks with good handwriting. Okay student, and now come to the given exercises. Here is enjoy the poem. In exercise A, you can see which of this action can you do. So here is the question for you, that what type of action can you do? Circle the words. Can you read, eat, sing, talk, laugh, swim, beg, run and drive? If you do any activity, you can circle that. Okay, so first you can read. Yes, you have to circle the word read, eat, sing, talk, laugh, swim. No, you can't. Okay, beg, no. Run, yes, of course. And drive, no, you can't. After that, next, read aloud with your teacher. Read aloud with your teacher. So student, let's start the reading. You have to repeat after me. First word is related to BL. It is a column of BL. So here is a BLACK, black. BLANK, blank. BLEAT, bleach. BLOOM, bloom. BLUE, blue. Next age, we are in BR column. There is a BREAD, bread. BREAK, break. BRICK, break. BRUSH, brush. BROOM, broom. CLAP, clap. CLASS, class. CLEAN, clean. CLEVER, clever. CLOWN, clown. CRAB, crab. CRACK, crack. CROP, crop. CROWN, cron. CRY, cry. So student, like this you have to read this all given words aloud. Okay, next is fun time for you. You have to color those activity that this given things are do. Okay, in this given picture you can see there is a different types of baby, birds, dog, duck and animals, and you can also color their action word. Okay, so first of all, who can do what? Color the boxes. Okay, you have to color boxes to their activity. Okay, which is that person are doing. So in first you can see there is a baby, and baby can cry, crawl, laugh, but baby can't fly. Okay, baby cannot fly, so we have to only color this given 3 boxes. Okay, and the baby can not fly, so we can't color this given boxes. Next you can see there is a bird, and bird can fly, hop, read and sing. So which activity that bird can do? So bird can fly, hop and That's it. Bird can only fly and hop. It can't read and sing. Bird cannot read and sing. Okay. So we have to only color these two boxes. Bird also sing. Yes. It is sing. Okay. So we have to color these three boxes. Okay. After that, come to the next. Next is dog. So dog can ride, bark, run or sleep. So dog can bark, run and sleep. Okay, it cannot ride. So we have to only color these three boxes. Okay, after that, next is a duck. So what can duck do? Duck can swim, quack, mew and talk. So duck only swim and quack. It can't talk and mew. Okay. So next is monkey. So monkey can climb, read, sing or jump. So monkey only climb and jump. It can't read or sing. So we have to only color this two box, which is climb or jump. Okay, like this we have to color the given boxes according to their activity, according to their action words. Okay, that they can do. So student, your today's homework is you have to learn and write this poem in your notebooks with good handwriting. Okay, and you can also solve this given exercise number C in your notebook. I hope you understand very well this poem, that what can you do or what can you not. Okay, thank you.